Very good morning. I am Manish Jha and I got a question today from Anshika Tiwari. She is from Amritsar. She is asking that, sir, I am doing BSc with bioinformatics and cell biology as my new combination. Okay, and I have read in many books and literature that there are non-functional region in our genome or DNA which are called introns. My question is that if the introns are not doing anything in the course of genetic flow in our cell, why they are not has been deleted by the evolution process, why they are still present in our genome? Is the function really unknown, or they are non-functional really? So please explain. Okay, this is very valid question, and this is very one of the most important question, one of the most critical question you can ask in the molecular biology, that introns are non-functional but they are still present. See, suppose this is your genome, suppose this is your whole genome, and these red portions are those functional part which are called exon, and this yellow portion which is large in amount as compared to the introns, only 2% of the DNA is known to be functional, 98% DNA is non-functional. So these yellow portion are those intron part which are supposed to be non-functional. Okay, suppose you imagine a situation in which you are exposing that DNA to the UV light, and you know that UV light can create mutation. It is a critical mutagen, it is a very potential mutagen. It can form thymidine dimer, it can let the DNA to form thymidine dimer and seize the DNA replication process. But even then the introns are present, and exons are very less in amount. They are present in our DNA as compared to very less amount as far as the introns are concerned. Suppose there is a UV exposure and only the exons are present. Only the exons are present. If the only exons are present, the UV exposure will damage only the exons which are functional part. So maybe the evolution put these introns in between the exons to decrease the damage probability of the genome. When there is a UV exposure, when there is a mutation, when there is sudden environment change, to maintain that cell damage, DNA damage, as you all know that if there is a DNA damage, it can cause cancer. So to decrease this probability, to decrease this damage probability, maybe the introns are present. This can be the probable reason. I'm not telling that this is the exact reason, but as far as my knowledge is concerned and the recent research are concerned, if the introns are not present, only the exons are present, the damage will be very critical, as the UV ray only damage these functional part. So to decrease the probability, damage probability, introns are present. I hope that you have already understood this concept and you like my answer, and I'm waiting for your new questions. Please raise the question. This is the main theme of this science. If you don't know anything, please raise the question and ask the questions. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.